Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I create the marble design. I'm using my little palette here, but you can use a tile. And I'm just going to be using this to mix the colors. Here I have the Kiara Sky. It's like a white with some glitter in it. And then I'm just going to put down a good amount just as a little stripe there. And then I'm taking a blue from Kiara Sky, and it is also a shimmery shade. Now you can use any of the colors you want. I'm just using white, blue, and just a little bit of gold that I'm going to show you later. There's a couple of methods to making marble. I'm going to show you this way first, and if you want to see the other way where you do the drops right on top of each other and then just swirl it, I can show you the video of that. Let me know down below if you're interested in that video. I've been away for a while. Oh, here, this is where I'm showing you the gold. And then I'm just going to add that in. I've been away for a while just planning my wedding. But I will be more consistent. Let me know down below what you would be interested in. But I do have a lot of videos lined up to be ready to be uploaded. I love this gold glitter. So then I'm going in with a dotting tool. You can go in with a brush, a toothpick, anything. I just so happen to have a dotting tool. So what you do is you drag the colors, just swirling them around. And I'm going in and I'm just going to wipe the dotting tool just to not contaminate the swirl, I guess. And then I go in and do it sideways as well. And I do that until I'm satisfied with the marbling effect. Now the next thing you want to do, see I have a brush, and this is a paint brush. So I go in, what you want to do is like almost like scooping. You're going to scoop up the part that you want as the marble. And then you want to go and just glide it over the nail. It basically deposits what you just picked up. So you don't want to flip the brush over and paint it. You want to leave the brush as it is and just lightly put it on the nail and just slide down. And I wiggle back and forth just to add more swirliness to it. I find that it makes it look more organic. And then I just go about and just keep adding it. I'm using a smaller brush just because and then I wanted to add more gold just to connect that little piece at the bottom. It didn't look cohesive, so I just wanted to add more of that gold in there. And I just want to do it until it covers the entire nail. And I'm just checking it, making sure that I've covered the cuticle area, the bottom, the sides. And then what you want to do is always make sure that your sides are clean, that there's no build up, because if you have too much product, it can get really bulky and it will destroy your shape or distort your shape, I mean. So I'm pretty satisfied with it. Then I go in and I cure it. Then I did it on the other nail. It looks a little bit different, but I love how it looks. And yeah, that is how you do the marble. And I just wanted to show the set that I created with the marble. I can create a video on this as well. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.